In the midst of the chaos and devastation of World War I, a remarkable event unfolded on Christmas Eve in 1914, the Christmas Truce. Soldiers from opposing sides laid down their arms, stepping into no man's land to exchange greetings, share food, and even play football. This extraordinary moment of peace amidst the brutality of war highlights the shared humanity that can emerge even in the darkest times. Join us as we delve into this poignant chapter of history, exploring the significance of the Christmas Truce and how it serves as a powerful reminder of hope and camaraderie in the face of conflict. By December 1914, World War I had plunged Europe into a devastating conflict, with the Western Front becoming a grim battleground. Soldiers faced harsh winter conditions, enduring freezing temperatures, mud, and relentless artillery fire. The war had quickly escalated, drawing in major nations like Britain, France, Germany, and Belgium, each fighting for dominance and survival. Trenches stretched for miles, creating a brutal stalemate where life was marked by fear and uncertainty. Amidst this backdrop of despair, the Christmas Truce emerged as a beacon of humanity, reminding us that even in the darkest times, the spirit of peace can shine through. On December 24, 1914, the Christmas Truce began spontaneously along the Western Front, as soldiers from both sides sought a moment of respite from the relentless fighting. Key locations, such as Ypres in Belgium and the Somme in France, became sites of this extraordinary ceasefire. The atmosphere shifted when German troops started singing Christmas carols, their voices echoing across the trenches. British soldiers responded, and soon, the haunting melodies bridged the divide between enemies. This shared celebration of Christmas fostered a sense of camaraderie, leading to an unspoken agreement to pause hostilities, allowing soldiers to connect in a way that transcended war. During the Christmas Truce, soldiers engaged in a variety of heartwarming activities that showcased their shared humanity. Informal games of football broke out in no man's land, with troops from both sides competing in friendly matches, momentarily forgetting the war around them. The exchange of gifts, such as cigarettes, food, and even small tokens, further strengthened the bonds formed during this unique ceasefire. Laughter and camaraderie filled the air as soldiers shared stories and experiences, realizing they were not so different after all. This remarkable display of goodwill highlighted the power of connection, even amidst the harsh realities of conflict. The Christmas Truce offered soldiers a rare and emotional respite from the horrors of war, allowing them to experience moments of joy and connection amidst the chaos. For many, the memories of shared laughter, games, and camaraderie became cherished stories they carried with them long after the truce ended. This brief pause highlighted the stark contrast between the warmth of human connection and the relentless brutality of the ongoing conflict. As soldiers returned to their posts, the echoes of that peaceful night lingered in their hearts, reminding them of their shared humanity and the hope for peace, even in the darkest of times. Following the Christmas Truce of December 1914, military leadership on both sides responded with disapproval, fearing that such informal ceasefires could undermine discipline and morale. As the war progressed, the occurrence of similar truces declined, with soldiers increasingly ordered to maintain their positions and continue fighting. Despite this, the Christmas Truce remains historically significant, symbolizing a moment of peace and shared humanity amidst the horrors of war. It serves as a poignant reminder of the potential for compassion and connection, even in the most challenging circumstances, and continues to inspire discussions about the nature of conflict and the hope for reconciliation. The Christmas Truce has left a profound legacy in history, remembered as a powerful symbol of peace and humanity. In modern times, it is commemorated through various events, including memorial services and reenactments that honor the spirit of that extraordinary moment. Media representations, such as films, books, and documentaries, continue to bring the story to life, inspiring new generations to reflect on its significance. The truce conveys a timeless message. Even in the midst of conflict, the bonds of shared humanity can prevail. It serves as a reminder that compassion and understanding can emerge, offering hope for a more peaceful future. In summary, the Christmas Truce of 1914 stands as a significant moment in history, showcasing the power of peace and shared humanity amidst the horrors of World War I. We explored the spontaneous nature of the truce, the heartfelt activities that took place, and its lasting impact on soldiers and future generations. As we reflect on these themes, let us remember the importance of compassion and connection in our own lives. If you enjoyed this exploration of the Christmas Truce, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more engaging content on history and the human experience. Thank you for watching.